Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials. Make sure the Bullet's Wireless Z2 are charged to at least 50% and paired to your phone. Once paired, open Bluetooth settings and confirm the device shows as connected. If you have the OnePlus accessory app, open it now to check for firmware updates. Updates can change ANC behavior. Then locate the physical button on the right earbud and be ready to use it. This is how you engage noise cancellation and change modes in the next steps. You press and hold the right earbud button for about 2 to 3 seconds to cycle ANC modes. Listen for the tone that confirms activation. Once ANC is on, switch between transparent and noise cancellation modes by repeating the hold gesture. Make sure to check the LED and any on-screen confirmation. Then play familiar audio and walk from a quiet room into noise to evaluate. Adjust device volume and equalizer settings. ANC interacts with playback loudness, so you might need small tweaks for comfort. You finish by ensuring a snug ear tip fit, because a proper seal dramatically improves noise cancellation performance. If ANC doesn't activate, unpair the bullets, power them off, then hold the button for 10 seconds to reset and repair. This often clears mode conflicts. Once done, verify firmware and phone Bluetooth codec settings. Stale firmware or incompatible codecs can prevent ANC from functioning correctly. If problems persist, try another phone to isolate the issue before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.